Morning, everybody. Welcome back. Hope everyone had a nice long weekend. Um, this is your pre opening comment for Tuesday, May 31st. Okay, Asia mixed to higher, Europe lower. Our futures last night and the night before were up, and this morning they've gone in the opposite direction and fairly substantially. Um, the S&P, which was up as much as $50 between the close Friday and this morning, are actually down 29. The Nasdaq is down 40, so not much there, and the Dow futures are down 250. Bitcoin, on the other hand, was up over the 2 days by about 3,000, so very strong there. As far, we don't have any economic news this morning, although we do have May consumer confidence, but that doesn't come until 10 o'clock. Top Gun for Paramount and AMC. They just had that huckster uh, and Adam Aaron on CNBC talking about the weekend and talking about how great it is and how he's not selling any more stock and it's the biggest opening for a Tom Cruise movie ever and it's their biggest Memorial Day weekend openings ever. And the only thing he doesn't mention is profit because there is none. This is a company who is so loaded with debt and, has some decent cash on its balance sheet, but also has so many shares outstanding that even 156 million for the opening weekend isn't really going to move the needle for them. So we will see. In the meantime, AMC is up about $1.50, and Paramount is 34.52. That's up 61 cents after Friday's move, which was pretty nice. Friday, we actually closed at, let's see, 33.91, and that was up 4.7%, $1.51. So at least I know that they're going to make some money on it. AUY, Yamada, gold being bought by Goldfields GFI, 6.7 billion. Zoom, double upgrade from underperform to overperform. The stock is up $1.59 at 112.01, which is 1.4%. So really not a lot there, especially for a stock that has come down dramatically. And Therapeutics MD, TXMD. When you see this on the tape, don't get all excited about it. It is the winner of the day, the home run, closed at $2.14, is being bought at $10 a share. The stock is traded as high as 987. The last is 948. That's up $7.34 or 342%. Again, that's a $10 bid for it, and it seems like it's a done deal. It's clearly not one to latch on to today because basically it's over. Okay, chart on the screen is the oil. Oil news today. EU is cutting back by 90% of their oil and gas purchases from Gazprom. So I don't know what they're going to do for uh, to power electricity for the summer for air conditioning, and I certainly have no clue what they're going to do for the winter, unless it is that they are stocking up now because it's not an immediate. It's the way that it reads. It's 90% by year end. So I guess they're going to try and maybe store some. Okay, let's take a look at the Bitcoin because it was really strong over the weekend, trading over 31,000 right now. And that over 31,000 is up 9.72% coming out of this little consolidation. I'm not exceptionally bullish on it here, even with this move. Um, this has been rolling over a bit after touching 25,350 a couple of weeks ago. It is a nice move back to the upside, but we're going to have to see if it has any follow through whatsoever. Ethereum looks pretty much the same way. It is up, let's see, it is up 12.5%. So a little bit more in Ethereum. Plus, Ethereum not only made the low and consolidated across, but it actually tested that low. This low in Ethereum was 1709, 1726, 1708.50. So that's a successful test. And it looks like the MACD is rolled back to the upside, and we are getting a little bit of a positive reading. I favor Ethereum over Bitcoin regardless. And let's just see if there's anything else going on that you should know about. The grains are basically lower down in the corn and the wheat, and basically unchanged to up a little in the soybeans. Gold down 5, silver down 43, copper up ever so slightly. As far as the soft commodities, down 75 cents in the cotton, down $3 in the coffee, sugar a little bit lower, cocoa a little bit higher, lumber not open yet. Now we have just a slight improvement in the stock futures, down 32 from that 40, down 75 from 46. So still weakening a little. The dollar is up 80 cents, which is a huge rally for it. It was down $1.50 last week, and the bonds are sharply lower, down 2 and 5/32. You have that idiot in the White House talking about student loan debt, and who knows where it goes. In any event, I think this will be an interesting test. Like last Tuesday was an interesting test after that Snap news took all the markets down. We'll see whether this rally has further to go or not when we see how we act at the end of the day. Remember, this is also a big rebalancing day, being the last day of the month. All right, everyone. Have a good morning. Be careful out there.